Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Operators. When we are doing basic formula in Excel, operators are very important. We can use operators such as plus, minus, multiply, or divide. Let's have a look at using each one of these operators in an example. The first thing you do is you select a cell that will hold the answer. I'm going to click here to add these four numbers. We start a formula with equal sign. I'm going to add these four numbers into this cell E7 by using the operator plus. Let us start with an equal sign, equals, and we select the first number that we want to add, which is in E3. We can either click on it or type the cell reference. Now we put in plus, and then we will type E4. Similarly, we do for E5 and E6. When we press the return key or the enter key, it will give us the result by adding these four numbers. You can see all those four numbers are being highlighted and they are in the same color as they are in the formula. Now if you see in the formula bar, you do not see the number 750, but you see the formula that you have typed in. If you want to edit it, go ahead and click in the formula bar and you can edit it there. If you edit any of the numbers that you have used in the formula, the answer will automatically change. Now, if I change this 200 to 400, the answer changes from 750 to 950. Let us move on to the minus sign. Clicking on the cell where we want the answer, starting with an equal sign, we can directly click on that cell or type it. So we are doing E4 minus E3, that is 150 minus 100. As soon as I click the return key, we can see that the answer is shown in the cell E8. However, in the formula bar, we see E4 minus E3. Let us do the multiplication. We start again with an equal sign. We type in the first number, that is E5. We use the operator sign multiplication. And we type in the next cell, E6. Now we are multiplying 300 and 400. This will result in an answer of 120,000. Let us do the divide operator now. Starting with an equal sign, we select or type in the reference of our first number. We'll use E6 here, divided by E3. So now we got E6 by E3, that is 400 by 100 is 4. These are the four basic operators that we can use in Excel. Let us now use multiple operators in a single formula. Let us calculate the average. We type in the equal sign. We add E3 plus E4 plus E5. Now we have to divide the sum of these four numbers by 4. If I put a divide sign and 4 here, it is only dividing E6, not the entire set of cells. What we can do to correct this is add parentheses or brackets at the start and end of this set of cells that we have selected here. Now it is dividing the whole sum by 4. As you can see, 237.5 is the answer for the average of these 4 numbers. Thank you for watching the video. Please share this knowledge with your friends, family, and colleagues. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.